by the end of that 2-year time period, they can do precision machining and the other types of high-tech work that, I think we want to have in this country.
So he's going to be learning hands-on machining over the next few weeks after having already done some of the book work. Soldiers, sailors, Marines, airmen, Coast Guardsmen, if they've got skills in machining or welding or weapons maintenance, for example, you'll have a faster track to good-paying manufacturing jobs.